guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have an exciting new product to review for you guys. It is called Fanola No Orange Shampoo. So if you've been keeping up with my videos, in the past I did one over Fanola's No Yellow Shampoo, which is amazing, and if you haven't seen it, you need to go check it out now or after you watch this one. But this one is their No Orange Shampoo and Mask. And these, my friends, are amazing. If you have any clients that have like that really solid brassy look, so like a really solid orange or reddish tint, this stuff is gonna kick it in the butt. So I'm gonna show you a quick little video of me actually using this on one of my clients so you can see how well it works. So here we go. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. So again, the Fanola No Orange Shampoo and Mask is a hit in my book. I would give it 2 thumbs up. It really does work extremely well, and it's awesome that they have 2 products that you can use to tone without using a toner. So you have the No Yellow Shampoo, that's really great for those yellows and those gold tones, and then you also now have the No Orange Shampoo and Mask that is great for kicking out the brassiness of the orange and the red tones. As you can see in the before and after pictures, these products really do work. They are amazing, so I'm gonna link their website below so you can go and check them out and see what other products they also offer. Thanks for watching.